Pappaw here, and for 2 months now, this little attachment has been doing a job I used to dread. Is the Kobalt Universal Connect Edger actually worth adding to your setup, or is it just another gadget collecting dust in the garage? Let's find out. Hey everyone, this is Pappaw, and welcome to All About It with Pappaw. I'd like to share with you my experience with the Kobalt Universal Connect Edger attachment. Let's get into it.
Now, y'all know I've been all in on this Universal Connect battery platform. One battery, a handful of attachments, and I'm not buying 5 different tools that all take up space in the garage. When I saw this Edger attachment at Lowe's, I figured it was worth a shot. My driveway edges had gotten shaggy, and I was tired of those edges looking ragged after using the string trimmer to edge. I'm not very good at it, and it showed. I'll be honest with you, clicking this onto the power head is about as simple as it gets. No tools, no fuss. Twist, lock and go. I've had this attachment for about 2 months now, running along the driveway every couple of weeks. And the edging performance has genuinely surprised me. I expected it to be a good enough attachment. You know how it goes. Sometimes these multi-tool add-ons feel like an afterthought. This one doesn't feel that way. Where it really stood out was the cutting depth and the quality of the edge that it leaves behind. It's cutting a clean, defined line, not that ragged, chewed up edge you get from some string trimmer turned sideways, like me. This thing is actually built to edge, and it shows. I ran it along at a stretch that had gotten pretty overgrown after a few weeks of rain, and it still cut a crisp line without bogging down or leaving patches that I had to go back over. And that's saying something, because I've used dedicated edgers before that struggled in these same conditions. This attachment, running off the same battery as my trimmer and my hedge trimmer, held its own right alongside them.
I'm curious, are any of you running the Universal Connect system, or are you still juggling a garage full of separate tools for separate jobs? Let me know below. Let's talk about it. So here's my honest take. 2 months in, this is a keeper. The edge quality has been the standout. Clean, deep cuts along the driveway without needing a dedicated edger taking up space in my garage. If you're already invested in the Universal Connect platform, this attachment is a no-brainer add. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap the like button. If you've tried this edger attachment, I'd love to hear what you think. Are you happy you bought it? Don't hesitate to tell me about it in the comments. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, tap subscribe, because we have new videos on Thursdays. I'm Pappaw, and this has been All About It. See you soon.